Elizabeth here with Country Peony, and today I'm so excited to work with Woodpeckers Crafts to bring you a bedazzled popsicle magnet, the perfect accessory for your summertime memories. The first step is to paint Woodpeckers Crafts' Chunky Popsicle Cutout into fun colors. You can even create a fun color block technique with the help of painter's tape. Then set the cutouts aside to dry. Next, add some rhinestones in the same color story as the paint to a tray. Then add some gem glue to a small glue bottle for better precision. Apply a thin line of glue, then use a pen tool and attach the rhinestones to the painted cutout, one at a time. Have fun with this step. You can carefully move the rhinestones around once they are on the cutout, and the glue also dries clear. Set the cutout aside to dry. Then attach a small magnet to the back of the cutout with some permanent craft glue. Until next time, happy crafting!